me do say aye aba be pie ha na me ba no nyame ncha de aposifo a ewo aha omo de me achi pa amawura inside police station me be yi di akyerew na wura inside na nneoma makwa kohun wo ho no ese wani na nseso obi hwefom nneoma panko a enti me de wo be ko around kakra bi ni ahanneoma na ye wi a me pese me ne officers ni bi betwetwe nkombo na yedi ho abobo kakra na yesua nneoma bi afrim because kana ya da na ntwibuom a check yeshe na ntwibuom ya de ato na ntwibuom me woka wo bi sesebe wota ban that enye se obi ta ban no enye sesebe obi tan aban no so atiase yeshe na ntwibuom poto oman no asai that esase ka ho asem senia oman bi timi start ya en wo maduru pempen so a wo madu no sana yenso ye kase ye bia ye betimi aye ma aye yi bi be yi ha kyerɛw Prince William County Police Station officer ne car me de beto so enche na ye nyina yesua bibi ye kase ya ye betimi aye ma aye yi die ntimi ye ntumi nye Ghana posifo ye be share ye bossa ye be ma ye body cameras up to now 0 ye be share ye boss ye be ma ye bulletproof up to now 0 what Ghana posifo ankasa ene to ye uniform America hentesa omanya ye wo ye wo bi bia ye wo agudie na ekɔ ne se ni ye koya ne ye ban me do be kɔ mu ankasa no me din ka the officer na se me ba ya sane wo matimi agi ye wa ha na wo mo de awuram acheche ye nneoma bebre na wo hwɛ nneoma ye de ani akwakohu a eno ka ho na madwumadie no ya ye late kanya satami ananka sasa me de dwumadie no adeba na nneoma na county na ma running late because me ba ye bed na me ba be ya chew ye de mawurawura mu ba bia ma makɔhwehwem sane mu sitia sane bed no yesi aya no sane office wugwom na wokɔwura mu a ɛsɛwani kana yaka kyerɛ oman ni yaka kyerɛ ba bia wo man no nam no si anka na ntwibuo no yatamu acha na ntwibuo ana me kache Ghana for say ye de yato na ntwibuo mu me you can wo bisa wota aban ye ta aban ni agede ye poman ni yedie ye poman nkoso ye poman nkanko na medi nkan ahye adwuma na se no medi nkan se de medi nkan kai no me pese me de cameras no be wurawura abonten kakra bi na me ba wi a na me ne officer no atumi adi nkomo na ya hede ye koso bia wo he ba bia me gina ya aha ye Prince William County Police Station ana kwaku skirt me di dwumadie na abebomu prekopa me di abetum se bam ya me adma next week ye ko jail next week ye ko prison ni akɔhwɛ Ghana prison nipa ba akoma obɛkɔ 2000 na dem no ye makwan sa esase eta bu ne biebie nneoma ni so ade kyerɛ Ghana for enti wo ba bo modern subscribe page no na share video no ewo YouTube ba bia Facebook ba bia enti samre de me de wo kwa bonten wo hwa protocol no ye mfa ni agro krom ho enti wan se boma no ho officer ne de bɔ na no bare enti me de enso boma no enti no me de bed na kyerɛ wo kakra bi ne ye ni officer abedi nkomo ye ba de aka no ye de aba betoa wo so ye toa so ye toa kwantuo no so hwefom na ye kana ana manfo bi bu afu bi be yi bed na kakra te hwefom police car Prince William County and the no send ye be ya obehu car na enie Prince William County impresso obi be ka so enye police car kwa cricket wadada ye enie Prince William County ene go no ye tumra ye kyerɛsie eno nti na nwumre kwa cricket awie mate asim me de wo kɔ abonten kakra bi me ba ye ne officer na betwetwe nkomo hwefom hwɛ send ye yesi aye fom ha hwɛ enie efom ha hwɛ ya ye ne te sha ahwehwɛ o ana metietia so oman Ghana nyame ayadom ye wo gold ye wo diamond ye wo bauxite ye wo hwɛ wo mo se de hwɛ soro wo se Prince William hwɛ enie the dan ne tenten ne fɛ hwɛ Prince William County Police kwa quick skirt na de wadura kire o woni Prince William County for na nam hwɛ fom hwe fom pese ne ya ha me de wo wura ha kakra bi na me wi amesi fom na me ne officer be din komo hwe fom hwe fom hwe ne ma papa hwe step a me be fu ya ye ne te sa hwe staff pia me be fu enie ya ye ne te sa hwe ena kwaku skirt me nam so hwe fom ye ka kira mo Ghana fo se maka na ntwebuom hwe we ya bontimpo ene ye design say hwe na pagina ba bi e hwa yesa abronsansan hwe fom hwe wo se na ntwebuom wo ba share video me pa chawa hwe fom ene o ma papa na gu fom Prince William County Virginia ana sambe me nam hwe ene onye so obi se gwe ya gani kwaku skirt me nam ne ma bontin hwe fom stop na say yes ya meet ya so ya ye ne bru soko henie hwefom and your papa na wokrum ha aha said the dan na kwaku skirt American me so we heaven American e fo so hwefom hwehwe papa hwefom person no ma ya hwehwe no police station hwe where police station person no ma ya no hwe eni hwefom hwefom eni ma papa ne guo no ye ka kire say ye betia ye bi o ma bia ye bi ama no modu ba bia ye do ade enti na Ghana ye ntumi nya bi menye yi hwefom hwe park na enti sensensan ensensan yo hwe eni park na enheda Ghana wo ko gina park so a no wa do saa wo ba wie no abeti na twetwon hwefom ha ensensan papa hwefom na ha eni machine ye dedo enye sekan wakotwe sekan o do o sori ya wo do wo be wie no abeti akuri hwefom ha kana fo ye betinya ye bi glass no fom no park mfuo ni ante se glass park mfuo no ye ne te se glass wo ba share video ma me pa chop pa bomade share na enkoduro mampani akufo de nanim wo nya bi hwe ba bia du no asase aka no kre se bi matinya ye bibia ade na kan ye ntimi nya bi hwe se ne ya pono hwe aha wo ma ye bibia ensuo no ta esoro no afa soro a bewura ha hwe wo se ensuo bi ata ha ekura no a ensuo atom ne na nsa ensuo atom hwe emu kama tetan hwe wo hu ye ka kire mo se mum ye nkasa wo mo ya no ma anya no nko a ene o ma ye fire station wo ho no edan na uhu sesi ho no eno so ye fire station police station ni fire station ni ade abiem na ye ntumi nye ye da so ti ye ABC dim kana ya ka system na twoku ye ka sa mum ye change environment mum ye sesa hwe officer ba ko na esi no hwe ni police car hwe wono wa park no hwe ba ko ho na me mum nyina twetwe nkomo omo ya police form ye no sebe omo ye Ghana fo ye be pese ye kowura ho a ye no ba twetwe nkomo hwe fom hwesenian sensan ya ye no we woma ya se ejatwa ha hwenie ye bia nsuo no pha na fire service dia sha no na spread na hye ne oma wo ha se ja hye a na edum no hwe woma ye system a nsuo no bi bro so a na akwahye fam wo te Ghana ye ka chew se wo system na sai ye ka chew se system na asai mum ye hane system no hwe fam Prince County hwe fam ya ye bibi wo ha ye se eduru ha tena so posifo no hwe we eni gota hwe gota eni gota ni aye hwe nsuo no ta aha na nsuo ni fako wo hu se fin bi ada no hwe wo hu se fin da fom wo hu se bola da fom wo ma siesie kwan hwe eni hwe President County eni hwe reservoir 15 minutes wo se uduru ha gina ha 15 minutes eni gina ha 15 minutes pako kawa ha for 15 minutes na ko what Ghana na catch us we hye na ntwebuom hwefom ya ye we wa ha wo se woduru ha hwe nkane o maye ase Yesu Kristo ne kane hwe eni hwefom hwe kane keke wa ho edu na do satellite wa ho we ni satellite dem troko ba bi ade ne ka say America hwe akonwa we wo maye o mo se kwaku skirt me beduru ha tena se na je wa home sena se na je wa home kwaku ene matena so wa ho bo ma ni so be share video na ma me eye mo somfo kwaku skirt sa video we na mpasa kwa chiri pa because me ne Prince Police Country and eye programming enti ancha ye nante asako ye koduru ha ye ne apostifo no officers ni gina ho ye no metwetwe nkoma kakra na mewi a ne metie nya time na mayiyi form ha nyina akyerew because officer ne ba ha na papa wabre wode me awurawura dan nu amanya pictures di videos am mewi a me post to agu Facebook no obi anko no nko he na ni so ade ya gani me wia me the pictures bebrebe gu ho what Ghana policy for the breaking room policy for the cabinet e dey entire sensem na mo koka mo system na ye system na afoke up Ghana system na a choku system na a break and the post need me chiwo bi no papa na so no ko ha system entesa nti e be pase e be nante ye ne aposi for na kwetwetwen komo aha meti amagima home wasetena se post ni ne ba no park ne ka wotimi tena se dia home yenko yanim ye hwede yakoso hwe form ye catch raw say system no a break ye betimi ya ye bi hwe fire station na wa ha no wo mo ye police station ka ho no wo mo the fire station abeka ho hwe fire station no se ne ya ye no hwe se ne ya no hwe form hwe dan esi ho no wugu na ntwebuom what a pain police ni na test na ben say ye adwuma what na ntwebuo no mu ache hwe form we pavement ye yesi emfa so anya abo na fa so nipa hwe we gota na da ha no yakata so mote Ghana mo gota ya nkata so ho mote Ghana gotas na nkata so hwe nie wakata so kwasi broni hu se wa hwe nie nunua na betia kosem tuma men kata so wa ye dade e cover so pepepe wo wie wade aguo wade ne krom din na agu so made in USA what Ghana ye ka kire wa na obuafu ye ka mosem ye nka ye ka na bi mu buafu ni anka ye be da no ma na koso King Jonas ka na manfo obuafu Kwaku Skate ka na manfo obuafu Kavintela ka na manfo obuafu oman no de ekono oman na senke oman no asenke Ghana ebledi ye betimia ye bi ma ye hwefom ha aha no wo ma ye ne bibi a omo se handicap sabe omo yare kakra no wudru ha wo se ha na park wo ka hwefom ha Ghana wo bi ana hwe wo se handicap enie Ghana wo bi enie se wonye handicap na park ha ena wo no betua $100 to $500 ena wo ho no ena wo ho no wo bi Reform anche ni officers ni betwetwen komo o hwamia Kwaku Skate me wo Prince William County Police Station life aha wo wa posifo ahodo station wo mo miensa na wa ha kase pa ewom ena maba bedrum no kase pa edam sonko a ewo Virginia ena sambe mi gina ha me ni wo mo yesa adwumadie a me bie police station nanim de kira wo ha ya pavement awo fa so ya pavement kama oha car papa na si ho no what Ghana yesi akwakra police car Toyota Corolla officer man ko na me bi so asem mumi enu nyina meka mabom but I was say form me pese me yisro ha na me nya kwan bi so officers no because omo ko ba bi ma form time pa ya de mre na ye adwuma bi yisro ho kakra kire Prince William County enie bi yachro safa system na bra yentam yenko yenimre hefom bemame bi mu mame nko ne yenyi nkyere wo mo etra system na twoku system no asai hwe edan no nesi wo no was Prince William County Police Station enie and no first time hedan se ne yaye no yaye nsi Yesu Kristo ne dan yentu America ne hene ne officers ne bi ntwetwen komo officer, you better akwa na. So my ready there. If you're ready, we can go now. Or I should flow it a little bit. Huh? Okay, reform police can they see no. Reform Mumbla, Oba share video no. Oba share because there be an officer anytime. Until me yana sana. Can you say the uncle me ro kakra? But officer and so I discuss ya money discuss money let me ro kakra. Reform Prince William County. Police car, Kwaku Skate, and a major any reform near my papa in the workroom. Was a Prince William County Police and a grammar reform. Oh, I had no system, no airflow system, no air year. Juma. Wow, send ye yes, I be bio mashi sense, say no, and you may cost and you what to Ghana, you what to name to boom. What the name to boom put all near catch us here betting ye be ye. Yanya bi ye betimi aye anti samre reform officer and ababe pia ye hene nchi officer how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, I know You are an officer from Prince William County, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. We have to discuss a little bit few things and then we move forward. Probably I will say it on Tree. I know you are from Ghana, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will say it on Tree and then you can give me answers on English.
Okay.
Something like that.
That's fine.
Look at you. I love this system. Let me slide the camera a little bit. People can see your body cameras and stuff. Prince William County, Virginia officer, and then you every meneno eshia. Aye bidin komo. Maybe Prince William County Police Station, maybe Omajimeni pa. Omanyamre amame be almost 2 hours. Edemi church and yoma be brewe inside. But if you an officer now, you'd never miss a minute in your man. You be some kakra. Now you know yet you BB Ephraim because you're my Ghana. I quite to say your post if one of your informal yashi, you don't want to chacha. Osha, or man penny in Kakas over me 200 colas, coal and a buy in your pan, a yana, your becano once a much. No more president, nobody a chill catcher, a post if was a over me a bulletproof. Up to now, and my Miss Officer said, I have a more bulletproof.
Yes, we do.
Bulletproof, no. Find the Tomamo, I said, 1 hour time. I said, is it you buy the bulletproof for the state?
When you start the academy, that's when it's issued. By the time you graduate the academy and come out here on the street, you'll have all the equipment that you need to do your job. It include the bullet resistant vest, your uniform, your boots, the tools around the waist, body cam, like you mentioned. Anything that you need to do the job effectively, you'll have it before you hit the street.
Okay. So you have to, government have to provide it, or the county have to provide it.
The county government provides it, through the police department.
Okay. Another question I'm asking you. Our question maybe so will be able to say. So Obi drive, if somebody drive, and that's Obi driver. Now officer stop no pull no over. Now officer no na said what officer have to do?
Well, when the traffic stop, what you're talking about is a traffic stop.
Like you driving, like I drive.
And the officer
and then I do something wrong.
Sees a violation and
something like that.
Well, they also initiate, the traffic stop, turn on the lights, you be pulled over. When the officer gets out of the car, he's going to activate his body cam so that if in case something happens, everybody will get to see exactly what the officer saw in real time as to why it led to whatever. So the officer will make an encounter with the violator, which is the driver, introduce himself or herself, advise the violator why he stopped him, for whatever violation. If the officer is going to issue a citation, the officer will let him know that I'm going to go back and write a summons for you. Officer comes back with a summons, or officer is just going to advise him or get with me and give him a warning that, hey, don't do this again. And the officer will disengage from the violator, get in his car, and leave.
Okay. This country, officer take bribe. If the officer take bribe, also would you bribe? Dear necessary,
Well, first of all, it's illegal to do that, and we don't do that. But if you ever do that, the law will deal with you to the fullest extent, because it will mess up the trust that we have between the community and the police department. Because as a police officer, you're supposed to be protecting and serving the community. How can you be taking bribe from the community members? You can only imagine what would happen if that was to happen. There's a community in turn somewhere own the police, or the police own the community. You get what I'm saying? So bribery is 100% not acceptable, and it's not tolerated. If you're caught doing that, the system and the law would deal with you to the fullest extent.
Okay. My another question: this country, or you are a police officer, if somebody or an answer Obi, Obi better Facebook page, Obi better social media, say asmesia, ni video ni nice officer. How you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Asumesi so oba dadeɛ fa bɔ ne tirim yɛ ne sei na mea me metua ne ka ɔba wo premises a sɛ yɛka so obi ba wo premises a kwan te sɛ bi a wo fie anaasɛ madwuma mu so ɔka ne sɛ abɔnten bi different but ɔba me premises a fa dadeɛ bɔ ne tirim ya metua ho ka na so onipa no within 4 months somebody shoot in the car. The person have to go process to the crime or you have to leave him alone.
In instances like that, the police will investigate it, and the person that made a threat for this person to be harmed or killed will be obviously a person of interest. You don't make threats like that, and when something happens to the person that you made a threat to, that we won't then look at you. So full investigation will be conducted, and the person that initiated this threat against the person that ended up dying will be a person of interest, and they'll be investigated, and if it leads to them being the person behind it or initiated the whole thing, then they'll be arrested.
It doesn't matter if you are high or it doesn't matter. It's like and found some way a penny and I said
it doesn't matter where the investigation leads, and if evidence supports that you are the one that is responsible for the death of whoever, then the law will take its course. The law doesn't look at it as okay, even if a police officer is to do something, just because they're a police officer, that the law will look favorably on them. The law is the law. You commit a crime, you have to pay for it.
If something happening was like say BBC, it will be fear. Will be somebody shoot somebody gun in home, or somebody like accident. How many minutes it take to police
to respond?
Around? Yeah.
Our response time is pretty good. I mean, they strategically place us in areas where even though we live in a county, Prince William County is pretty big. Manassas, Woodbridge, Dumfries. If I'm assigned to, say, Lake Ridge, and an incident happens in Manassas, they won't dispatch me all the way from Lake Ridge to Manassas, because you can only imagine to get there, it may take 30 minutes. So then because of that, they have officers that are stationed there in particular areas, so that, when something like that happens, response time could be like less than a minute, less than 2 minutes. That you have an officer on scene, giving us information as to what happened.
Okay, another question. Like 911. United States, you can't just call 911 like that.
For emergencies.
For emergency, yes. But Ghana, obvious me friend Ghana number just like that. So I'm not can friend 911. No one friend emergency purpose. It's a say not offer transfer and that's it.
Yes, if that happens, we will respond to the location of where this 911 call came from and try to find out what was the reason why somebody called 911, because it could be various reasons. Somebody can call 911 be an emergency, but they couldn't talk, so we get there and address the issue. Or it could be usually we have kids playing on the phone. We get there, we address the issue. But it's not just today you're just sitting there and just keep down 911. Because there's also a law against that. You can't, just misuse 911 system, because 911 is just there strictly for emergencies. Somebody could be having an emergency situation that you're tying up a particular line, they can't get through, so you don't play with that. Only emergency calls or things that you deem to be emergency is when you use 911. Other than that, there's a different number that you can call, which is a non-emergency number, and that's how that is done.
If accident happen, and that's accident is here. Why necessary to send office? A fire or a police?
They're dispatched simultaneously together. So sometimes they get the fire department gets there first, because they're the ones that really trained to render aid. I mean, we taught first aid, but they have a little bit more experience in rendering aid to a hurt victim than the police. We're there for the investigation aspect of it, the criminal aspect of it. Sometimes we get there together, other times we get there before them. So it just depends. But we get there quickly. Both of us get there quickly.
think that's the only question I can ask. You have something to share with Ghanaians? I know you are from Ghana,
Yes.
so do you have anything to let them Ghanaians know? Do you have any message to give it to Ghanaians?
Where Ghanaians here or where?
Back home. Because this program we do purpose because of Ghana, because the system over there is not work. The system over there is complete blind. We can't see the system. How you see? You take me inside, the system is flowing, but back home the system is not working. So you have anything to share with Ghanaians, the experience or anything?
I mean, just follow the law and keep doing the positive things that they're doing. As far as that, because I'm not there, so I can't really say too much about what they think is right for them or what they don't think is good for them. So I would just say that just keep following the law, the rule of the law, and let the rule of the law prevail.
I hear the law is what?
It works here.
It work here.
Yes.
But Ghana too, the same thing. The law has to work over there.
Absolutely, it has to work everywhere. That's the only way that we all survive. Okay?
Thank you very much, officer. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Okay. Officer and your training canon. Wabie yani bebre. Wabie yani. Said the name can oba share. Mokoi. Mati abafom. Aden mati. Officer chere ni ma no wati abafom. Sa peja ohoma me. Na wo pensam na ati. Dr. Bawumia ebe ka chere Ghana for say. Ghana for obeka chere mo nyame na mekaye. Dr. Bawumia ka chere Ghana for say obemanyen police cars. Anasa me ba ye ukra no omode me akọ inside kakra. Me pese ye be show police cars a me ba ye omode me call ya o makọ kire me. Me pese me no e share bi kakra na ye hwe police cars no. Ye wi ade aka no me de aka aba betoa wo so. Enti me ba ye omode me call inside ama me kọ bomb ani akọhoma kakra me ko hu no.
Na so obi wo problem ni asma officer se wonko buo nipa na obeye den watimi di Toyota Corolla di afansuo no mu hwe America ha ekwan Prince William County wo Virginia yen hwe cars a wo mu use hwe car type papa bi na guase hwe brand new aban no wo mre de ma Chrome ha posifo aban no wo mre de ma Chrome ha uti aban na posi ni test ahụ se bibia de demu a wo mo ba adwuma mo make sure se bibia de dem hwe cars a egu ha hwe wo mra gan ye betia kra cars we bi saving 200 Toyota Corolla na ya kra no en hamio but me point ne se ent me moa oman no enti ade ne nya abotre na se 100 ene ye beto ka biti se ya ne ye de be me ya posifo no mo de be ya adwuma emwa ya na wankasa tabo na hwe cars ye gu ha mi yi Ford Company ana eboa wo mo hwe wankasa hwe a ya twera ho hwe nkane abobɔ soro police ni gina wa no anyam kane no bɔkɔ na bibia de dadidam kwakusket me baaye ye de me awurawura inside enuma mehunu wa ha bibia system no ye adwuma system no work what Ghana ye kasa mo me mfese system na mo buafu hwefom ye de mo atu na ntwebuom mo me ye ye betia ye ma ye Ghana ye wo oil ye wo koko ye wo bibia wo manemu ye wo bibia enso adwuma ye ne yentimi nye ne ye ye mpanimfo ne katasehye ne proye hwe Virginia posifo hwe me ba police station ha ba bia ye de me awurawura ensam twofo.
Okay. I will leave like 10-15 minutes.
Okay. I might even stay in the car for a little bit.
Okay. I'm so when your video ni bi ahe. Madam Asepa na omo de me call baby a hoye break room. Break room a officer we na dimo akwata ne kem. Uhun tu abobɔ ne bɔ. Uhun tu abobɔ officer ne bɔ ne honam nyina. Wanka so ani tua. Ghana posifo yetimi yo mu say. Ghana posifo yetimi som wo mu say. Ka no mu computers e boom. Bibia ye adwuma. Hwe me kwa kire o ka sa me yi ni bi na me de kire o. Me ba be yi break room a ho no mo tena se didi Ghana yaya mobo dodo ye ti sika so ana komode yen onyankopon ma me kwan na me ba be sesa bibia amo ma na ehiri yenko ni yenkoti papa na kan yo yenko ni
2008 the kase aka before 2012 the moment in DC me ba be srambo o fada mabo mo fa ma wo de beta de ti mo gwa ni na mo pia me akwa ko se de na kwa yekwe ye kosi ya kwa kupaya huso ye kwani yako kikansema mfata eje Ghana for Ghana for de obe yewe bia jere ese woni wo areti yes akasa no bi na deko me ko so se me kwa ko bombo kro me mamba politics no da ba me kasi Ghana for sika aba be se me ko ko ye no jina me ba me ba se you dear young son, I will think a grand. Now, put on board, dear mamma. Me baby, here, Ghana, the dear, that the dear swap were named, and the Juma, and the hotel, and the Sika, and Ghana, I am a model. I am a crowd of Ghana. Yet, Picasso is up there. Yes, Picasso is up there. Yeah, Banya Baba Sister Sanya, and you know, I'm a Picasso, Nibaya, Masan Kaka, the Baba is strong. Here are Mahama, I was in Ghana, and I'm Mr. Ghana for. Say, what if I'm Montagne, put on the mother? The media is a Mr. Ghana for. Casamia, the Tiasia. The meanings of Calamity, they will go there. More than 2 million women, sir. More than 2 million women, sir. As I say, represent the rest of Mamu. Capria, the finest and I'm about it, sir. And I just said I'm about it, sir. More than say, the giant dancer. That couple at the Ghana of war, at the Ghana of war, at the Ghana of war. Neba, now I'm going to say that to the now going to much say, Sabrantia coming. Abranti, here in Panama. No other Buamo. When the battle, no one nombra, the seven devil. When they do a Puma, when no get me to a Puma, Matia. When I dream moved up, the one from my pa, I am a year, Papa Amam. Mofanumra, now you're seeing that one in the year. Or no, and I'm in the jam.
Okay, Madam Masse, Medo to us on videos you have made your mount, but I'm saying my sir, woman, I'm on Mamma McQuan say, me show car no mukakra. Near her equipment at what Prince William County. Omo fidia a wakem. Me pesa would anybody mechi a would media wambra a coso. Ye co near cohe, one more car no. Send your car no, yes, see a yim. Police car and a CA was a Prince William County Police or Mokani, Swan one, quisket, men am die. Persia coca no. Na yakon yakon send your car here. Oh, police car no. Mama me hwese camera na timi akomu kama na bibia de dem ho send be ya obia be hu de me ye na se. Oh, car no mu eni. Police car no emuni ne bag a wode ye adwuma ne fast the document ya man ni jacket a wotimi de sha wo ba wotimi de she enie aha ana wo ye bone ye chewa ye de wotena system na ye adwuma ye the glass a protect no enti se ye de obi tena ha ahaya ye de asomasi atene ye de obenten tena ha ahwehwe twam enti wontimi mo ahwehwe wei enkobo police ne no wo ma ye no such a way a yes special
aha no man no sonko because police ni no ne nkwa hia oman no ne nkwa hia ana oman mutema nso ne nkwa hia enu nti de o maye ne se wohwa enhwehwe ye de achem ene hwehwe no ene o maye system no ene hwe ahwehwe no ana waha no ahwehwe ene hwe ahwehwe no hwe sani ya ahwehwe no ye de ahwehwe na chem anti police ni no atianim ana se kofo obi a wate ha what ha want me mo ahwehwe no wo maye ne such a way a wo bona emmo aye forever ane asande ahwehwe ni bi abbo onipa na wo betem no tunachi hwe me de wo be ko car no mu ne akwa kohwese ne car na mu sitie Ghana some system na flow hwe car no hwe ties eguase hwe se ne aye do panels hwe emmo no ties bi bia na wakwa kra Toyota Corolla and ya begua hekam ene si won wan kasa hekam mu ene ene kwa quicket matena si ene matena mu ene police car no kwa quicket Prince William County police car ene metimu ya de hwehwe hwehwe we ya je na yi a wo wote ha ya kwache na wote ha wodo nsa bo ahwehwe we ma emoda empai o ma mutema na wo su ya che wate na ya hwehwe ni bi wa ha sani obepa na obefa chiri no opa na empai kanafo sumo mahun hyehyɛ aban we krom aban wo man enwoma papa wo mo de agu kwan ya ka mo se me ya ka mo se kaseti aban so ma yankɔ ne yankɔ hɛ ka no mu machines egum computers a wo mo de agum yankɔ ne yankɔ hɛ se yebetia yi bibi kakra officer no be ma me kwan a mata me bo no mayi kakra hwɛ fom ne ma panko a hwɛ fom hefe ya fa se papa fom ni na ya hwɛ ya hɛ so officer be me kwan a na yentimi hwɛ eni pesa wo heka no mu emu aye dark kakra but yebeyi a kyerɛw computer eni computer ne sti ho no ka no mu computer wo bibia system na I work ka no mu Motorola mienu ne tuo ene si ha tententen no etuo mienu ne si ka no mu eni system no system na a flow system na a work laptop e dey am free a wo dey ye na dwuma eni bibia ye adwuma car no mu nyina ye tie no bulletproof ye dwene wo mo ho carpet send ye no wo hu ti car we mu a wankasa hoto enti ma wo timi ye adwuma no na wo ye kokra car ya kokra Toyota Corolla eni ye dey am Bawumia eko kraka omampani o kraka ye me yakakra omampani wo ya ade se wo kraka maako 200 atanyume wa he Prince William County Police County wow anu me ya tonko kusket me ka sama me ya next week Saturday ye koje ye ko he de kosoje hwa Ghana ya mobo wa ye betini atoka se bia me ya posifo na kufo do omampani wa ya ade na wo ko kraka ba na wo so kwakra Toyota Corolla wo kwan asai wo kwan atetia pansam wo kwan ayemonchemonka mo kwakra kasa mepese ye bekwa kohe sa Toyota Corolla no se mo wa mo fanto so mame ye kohe Ghana for mo ka
and Corolla vehicles come at a time government intends to boost police visibility for the overall safety of the citizenry. This is the second time government is handing over vehicles to the police service after the first batch of 106 vehicles were received in December 2017 for Operation Calm Life activities. That presentation was one of the steps taken by government to deal with a number of vices, including armed robbery. President Akufo-Addo on March 6 this year promised to equip the police administration to make them more responsive in tackling crimes for the safety of the public. These vehicles will be used to enhance visibility of the police. The Deputy Inspector General of Police, Mr. James Opon-Bonu, gave the assurance that the new vehicles will be used for the intended purpose.
You agree with me that our community policing strategy should be backed by a swift, efficient and effective response to distress calls and confidence-building patrols in the communities. And one of the ways to improve upon police response time to situations is to have enough vehicles that will facilitate quick movements within the communities. The provision of these vehicles by government could therefore have come at a better time.
Minister for Interior, Mr. Ambrose Derry, said government intends to recruit more officers and will continue to address the challenge facing the...
Okay.
Wahu Ghana, ya kraka me ya posi fo ya si Toyota Corolla. America ya kwan ate se ahwehwe. Ensuo to ya na fom nyina awo. Ekwan ya no contest ni nyina ya kata so. Ensuo to ha for 3 days. Wo hu se ensuo ba ko ta asase ase. Wo mo kasa wo mo yusu. Me ba ye so mo yusu kasa nketwa. Se yesi ebe mo obia SUV. Enti wo hwe me nua ya me ni ye program ya SUV ne de ama na wotim. Ghana wo kwan ya wotim me ba yi wo kwan ya kyerɛw. Na wo hwe wo kwan ya wotim na wo de compare one kasa. Toyota Corolla aban so akrade ba ode aba. Na se bibi si a sa Toyota Corolla no ebetimi akofa sa kwan we su ana. Me pese me ne obekwa akohwe sa kwan no.
Abusia for bridge no so ho. Se say de condemn kura o. Kwan a enipa nam so was ya kachi so no. Ya sole a politics na ye de okrum ha. No kura de yen kan o. Omo frɛ bisam so ya wie. Kaase aba nyina na aka akire ho no. Te be ka akire ho a no akofo nema na wasoa de aba. Ekobosome ba kuni. Obia ntimi beka ho asem moaye. Obia la na jo na se de ne ba wanya ka obaje na kwa de so de nipa na kotu fie na wawu so ho kwan a sabe ka ti so ye nam no koko kaase nyina aka akire ho omunya kwan emfa koko ni nko kwan ya nam so no kwan a akatifo ya nam so no ai ya ka omo so monte asema ye nka so ho kwan a akatifo ya nam so no old bridge ni new bridge dada ni new ese be ye mfe de ho ni ebro 5 years aban ko obia ba won ka ho hwe maye obia ko 8 years ese ye no dade de no obia ba won ka ho hwe eni ni omo fa so da bia ba ye campaign omo yusu ka papa nti so ho kwan ya nam so ni kwan we nipa miensa awuwo sanso kwan we so kwan we ti yesre ka ba bia na obeka akire ho ahun enema no enam na abeka akire ho no ti ka wura de so niam wura de so oboka mienu obayi niam na san de maka afoforo no san charge no obayi niam ni nyina san maka afoforo ekwan no ekwan ya sahwa katifo yesremu a de ne sabeka video bia won share no muhu no mmeboaye yesremu a de ne sabeka video bia no yesremu a wo sha anyam besira so ombayi niam ni nyina soa e de afa kwan no so akọ omuyi niam ni nyina soa sande fa kwan no so kọ so ya frem panfo bia mo se kwan de ma ya awie so he ye nyanya kwan ni wie yo kwan no ye nya kwan ni wie kwan no so moto ba wan hwe ya watom so ho amaya djuma police ni bra wo bere so ho kwan yo fa so kọ adjuma da bia no so ho aho ni bra ni pe bere wo safia ka ti so kokwe wa Ghana kese nyina ye krom ha na firi Ghana ha nyina kokko kese nyina enso ye kwan ni o ye kwan na ayesa no yesremu a mmeboaye yesremu.
Okay, so one kaso ho Ghana wo kwan na say imagine say yesi akokra Toyota Corolla yakokra de abrewa one kasa fe video mi yiye hwe video kwa quicket mi yiye anti say ama Ghana post ni Toyota Corolla so won fanya adwuma obede na akofa kwan so obeye de na Ghana wakofa kwan so America SUV na si he ekwan ne ye yasama na SUV na wo ya ma Toyota Corolla ekwan ne nya video ba ko bia me waka me na me su sa ensuato pa ne si Ghana ni posifo confirm na kotwa kwan na bra confirm na kotwa kwan na bra wo ya wo kwan ensuato ya Toyota Corolla na kokam bibiasi ne si post ni koye adwuma na ensuato 30 minutes a wo kwan na ya dai asai yanko ne
me mind Ghana Kaswa highway pa on can articulate and cut in Kaswa highway bomb clat you seen is Kaswa Highway for you. Shit. Can I pay for someone? One is what? Yeah, catch him say, Moon fixing the country. Moon fixing country. Moon no say, then. Yeah, fixing attitude. We are gonna for attitude, we are gonna for attitude. Moon paying for more, yes, I'm building crime with my we are gonna for attitude. Moon have money, so Kaswa Highway. And so a toy less than 30 minutes per no. Can't go kama. Less than 30 minutes in so a toy. Now a toy numbers at 12 hours and if I bear won't mean people feel. Yes, Ramo fix the country in the air. Basso life, yeah, but see what we are wanting. And I put no police no. When you're ready, but fix the country, no more Baumia. So I begin social media talking. Won't fix the Ghana right now. Before 4 years in the Besona.
Okay. Obenyansa for question for Jena kan. Wasi ebu ne be ne yanka na sem. So yakra kolola de ama posi for. Nti imagine say nsu eto 30 minutes waka so a. Hwefom ne ma papa nko a wugu na ntwibuom hwefom. Wugu na ntwibuom me se hwefom. Enu ma papa nko na gu America. Aha wuyi heaven a agrade ekurei se wudi wo mmra so. Na wo de mra ya adwuma awurade kro no mu de aha te se sora hemem wo wakwa kolola de ama posi ni so mfa nya adwuma amo mamutema ho ban wo mra wo kwan atete apansam wo mra wo kwan enye ne akwa kolola America akra ye wo kwan papa kra no yesi amakwa ma posi ni nyusu ka ketwa biom enu nti ne amo SUV enu nti ne amo SUV hefam wo da nantwibuom hefam Anunti ya momo SUV a eye adwuma na de biem na wo kan nani mum yen kasa wo kasa yesi poi wo kasa so kasa tie pani ahemfu gugana yesi anka hwe me ba ye wo mu de me wura break room ba bi aposifo tena didi me be yi de akyerew me wi ama bi sase Dr. Bawumia life jacket na wo krae no life jacket na wai body jacket na wai so what you say jacket na wo krade ma posifo na kwesi say wo me wura edan mu edan bi a camera bom edan bi a camera bom mo ka check na posifo say edan bi a mo police camera up to now zero camera mpoyenti fa maka na posifo me wura ha camera me ba here anasa me call wo mo lunch room a new man na wo mo lunch room ma me hwe na se me hwe se menya ba ko a me yi wo lunch room na me de akyerew de me ko hu wo omla
bia eye adwuma aha ye break room a ye de amom so omunidi hwe fom ha hwe asan hwe utia fom ha ye tesa hwe ene nam so hwe we nyina omo hihye yo no matimi aye Ghana ni police ni kwa adwuma woni ba bi otena didi ote counter table ho no akoto banku ane nkruma fry no ote ho no odi esese ye ba bi se ni e man hihye ba bi obekokoro ne nsa hwe ba bi okokoro ne nsa hwe we ye ice and the woman no ope ice a mo de agunsuo wan no akofa wa nkonwa na sisi ha bibia aha wo pe cookies a wo se be yi be free wo pie sorter be yi be free chips bibia wo ma hihye bibia akonwa na si ha bibia wotime tena ha na wo hwa abonten wudidi no na wo hwa abonten Ghana for ebraso say your system no yetimi change system no na environment no eye better hwefom anuoma papa na gu fom hwe enkonwa papa hwe se ne yaye bibia de dem kama enti da foforo ye be san hia
okay so baby a yetena didi na me call baby a chese mo de wachana de ko no me yi pictures the videos ya kire mo wachana ade ko me yi pictures am twitwa wo inside chese wo wura adan kasiye ye si ha mu a police station ba company o ahwo mo police station be ba company wo wura mu a ya ne te se so ahemem police station ne te se heaven kana for baby adu no ye gu na ntwebuom ye tie ma Bawumia be ka kire se wo ma posifo life jacket and that's a bulletproof and the Ghana posifo say up to now bulletproof no am I yanko say am
of the insecurity issues we are faced with in the country, but I still also insist that there is a lot more that can be done before we get to that stage. Unfortunately, I'm yet to see any sign of that happening.
And before I let you go, just one last question about you talking about the fact that the reactions you've seen or the things that are being done, the responses are not what you expected. Exactly what were you expecting?
Well, I was expecting that when the police officer on routine traffic duty was killed at La Paz, and we had all sorts of promises happening, the political elite and the police top hierarchy should have at least provided all officers on duty bulletproof vests and, of course, sidearms to deal with emerging security threats that come their way in the performance of their duty. They are out there in the streets, in our neighborhoods, at corners with these criminals, and by nature of their work, it is very risky because these are men and women who arrest criminals, who investigate criminals, who give evidence in court against criminals, hence making their work very, risky. So at least they need some level of closure. And that could have happened in the past. Unfortunately, it never happened. Still, we have officers who, when they were being recruited, the training they were given about 10, 15 years ago,
so yeah, Mr. Sir, away. Nina ya nada. And so opposed for young cophobia as a so number one here. Because me quite quick me who American post in ya me fani near group. Because as some see or no baby to charge me. Oba one ye me bribe, oba one ye me sika, send ye mrana tian obedi mrana so no wabo me home by. Na siantia mo post in home by. Na sa new ma police ni na hwehwe ya amfa mana obekwa akobokro no se ya mo police ni ho ban na sa new ma police ni na pe ya ma no mpaboa so atiase ya ma no body cameras ya ma no life jacket ne sanyo ma new mo de bebo no ho ban ya police ni na soma ntona wokwa obekwa akobokro no akogigi sika but apan ye misase apan no hwe mo say Kafom nyoma papa nkwa ugu na ntwubuom yaka mosem yenka yede mogu na ntwubuom na modam poto yaka mosem anka so wo wie videos am yi kyerɛw wo America videos am yi kyerɛw bi wo videos bebre wa ha but abre ni ntimi bi besie wo ba subscribe page no dey follow me dwumadi o me de bra mo memenda no kwasie da bia o kyanya me bo a me wo wood bread ye beka edan ho asem nto atena mekɔ houses na makoyi ho. What a Ghana? What the bricks is see dying? What the cement necessary dying? What kwanya wo fa so ko fie? Wo duru ha e kwan no e ye monchemonka. Tisa park car. One and two nsuo no akofie e ya de papa. America ha yetimi de nua si dying. Aye ton bi $400,000. Ye ton bi $500,000. O wie ni nua no. Okusu ko ta do fa so ko ni fie. Apan na gusama no. Ibisa se Ghana ye koye na se buy. Ebi ye do no Ghana for SSA yes system no SSA system na e break no yetimi fix system no system na asai system na atwoku system na anya adwuma system na aya atakwame system na e break ma atetia pansam enti wo ye Ghana ni a ye mu bi ani abre ye kasa so ma bapani ye pomani ye die pomani nkoso enye sese do bi taban yo neso bi taban hwefom the pictures the videos awie ma yi akyerɛw hwɛ nioma awie me de agu kwan ma yi America ha de akyerɛw memo bi na ada ma wani na hɔ na yɛn kasa America wotumi ye protest wotumi kɔgye permit me kɔye demonstration ɛwɔ DC me kɔgye permit me kɔye no yanka nkyɛm si amfa mame ye de ma me de kan ne sɛ me follow the law na me nya adwuma no na Ghana wo kɔgye permit a ye maw ɛno ne sɛ yɛsi aban no obi nkasa aban no but yɛbɔ besia 290 something billion who oil who cocoa who bauxite who bibia nanso woman na tetia pansam kana for be bia do no yamu bi de banana o hyehyɛ say ahemfugu ho
wamu ni ade ahemfo ntimi ka ahemfo mbati akasa che aban no ahemfo mbati akasa che mpanimfo no yesi yanka ni enye ministers bi gu ho say ye de ye yanka because you tua ne ka minister ya toka ama no American minister en toka ama no ye toka ama minister wo krom ha kanafo bia do no ye ka no kwa na achiraw SSS system no ye change no SSS system no ye run no SSS system ye run system na system that ye flow but ye run system ye nchim na system na entimi flow me do fa form ha kakra me fa ha wi a me dwumadie no ebeba wi ye woni me ni e kire na ba bia me kɔ no yenko ye nwura mu kakra nsa na ye dwumadie ne perform enu ma panko a perform o Ghana form mo perform enu ma panko a system ne ye adwuma perform so system no wa say ye adwuma hwɛ de ya no ha bridge eni bridge no eni perform ya je na kama aha na gota na menam so omo ye gota ni wie no makata so no man ni pavement say ye mfa so omo ye gota ni wie no ya kata so ya ye ni pavement hwa asase papa oso ahemema asase na mi yi kira wi hwɛ fam ene ma papa nko a Ghana for the bia no asase flow system no asase run system ye ma system no to America si ama system na anto America Ghana ye nye ye da hwɛ fam Sensa papa, flowers papa, brochire, ana me kase. America wo ba ha te se sura himem. We Yesu Christo sura himem America na the best. The whole world, the PNO, United States. Wo mo di mraso, wo mo hye nioma, wo mo ye adwuma papa, fom. Aha pavement am nam so no, wo se me mfa so keke. Wo se kwaku skirt, bra na be faso na nante so eye gotas ameye na nso masakata so enti faso ma me eni perform eni wankasa hu ne sei perform o ano na me namu no perform ade we na me ka ho asem wo se ene me ba police station he bisia eni ade yellow na me ka ho asem ade we wo ma ye we a me cross aka fire service for you so ye baba bi na say ensuo na ya ensuo nam ha ensuo pipe nam ha pipe ne nam ha enti we ya connect enti say in case of BBS na ha hia ye chim we no na wa connect na we dum ja no what Ghana ye kan bibi a kire na obo afu mampani te Ghana kufu ado Ghana hemfo achimifo mte ho ye kan mo bo afu achimifo ahemfo mo se me yanka wa sema ho hwe nioma awie mayi ya kire mensamre me do kwotena kam ni ya fa kwan so ni yakọ officer na ekọ no officer no wọkọ obeboa me papa ono okọ no wa wie na dwuma enti me kọ me di dwumadie na ba wie ya fom eni officer no so okọ wa wie adwuma obaye no wa ye adwuma aban na ma na kwan wa anye me kapre pe na kura wa anye me Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, perform. Wow. So, and your papa feel America do awurade kwasi broni. Ya mi hira wo sa wo bo ame na mba krum ha. Ye. Ya mi hira wo sa mo bo ame na me ba krum ha perform. Wow. Wa beye na dwuma ba bo ame wa wie wokọ. Menso me kọ. Na ya fese betia fa kwan so a. Hesi betia fa kwan so a. Na Prince William County Police Station. Beautiful. What's the Prince William County Police? I had a quick skate. Did you make any number boy? Yeah. I had never you my power because one was system now. You police come watch out. May you know my baby natural perform. Perform any Hedano. Any Prince William County Police. Then you and they go on, and then they go on. And then they go on. Perform. Quick skate. Me can't some ya. Me ye akukudro. Me ye bema bo. Me nye hu force perform. Wow. Ye betena kam na family. Ya drive kakra. Ne ahwe kwan so, se ne kwan so sitie. Ensu ato ha na nsanie, ensu ato na nso ye be fa ka kwan so. Ne ahwe se ne system no. esiko enti samre wo ba follow me nyame admo kire wia be de foforo bebrew enti follow me ba samre dia said de dan na me ye no ye program wie pa ni atena kam ni aboja agum ni ahede yakoso wa bonten enti samre de ko de me de wo betena kam na metwu boko na me de wako akopum ba bia ye beko ne yakwa akodu enti samre de ko de ye kotena kam ye kokam hwefom ye kokam hwefom ye kokam na ya fa road so ne ahwese ne road no akwan ne sitie ne ahwese ne system no esitie nti na hane ye ka no kre na akyerew obi ani wa wo betwa wontro obi ani wa wo bedadaw aha no kre fie ene ha afidie ne the opposite yet within the Kwaku skirt Sunday de kwa de me be drive at the wako na ya he baby a ye be ko ya he kwan ya he se ne ha kwan e sitie producer mon tra kan no obi an tra kan no am se na ba ye hu ani so ade ye be drive na ya cement road mon so AC no mon fanto 60 degrees ye hu se form no emu da ho mo ba share video no fese bibi de demu a yakọ be twu samre do ko de yakọ main road ya ha de yakọ so e wo kwa so efo America o Kwaku skirt once and me yini o ma bebre amo abu ani akohoma amo ahu de system na asitia amo ahu ni o ma e koso so yakọ road so ya ha amemo me seat belt na me hwese post ni bia ni media na me hwese bibia de demu pepepa sana agravo edwa fa krum so kakra se de bia me ba no sana de bia me yere ye no me yibi frame na me fa bi kosim yibi frame na me fa bi kosim se de dan na me ba the time bo me wi a me de wo fa krum no se na ma ban man fo an fa krum a na ma nye ni nti ekase they don't fake room. Okay, Samre and Bravo Alpha Main Road. Ya had ya ekoso ekopum ba bia ye bedu a ye de dwumadie no ebeba awiye oga police officer no oduru ho no wagina wa ya de pa obo adwuma na pa ohwa enye officer bia no ye bedu ha stop sign wagina boko officer body one of the many no he one kura bring stop sign wagina ohwa ndi officer do stop sign wagina boko ohwa abegina na chi boko oba subscribe page no you too much that's a Kwaku skirt be wa wani tia onu sam me no menye hofo na me aduma next week said the mekan no yeah ko prison oh police car is one no okono enti mata me bu me tu me car no boko na me di na chi this me be hand stop sign wa ha na jina boko oha ahwa ehun se ekwan no mu dam ha se bibi akoso kama enti ma mata me bo na me jina oha officer no na ekono okọ esen ma be jina ha no do me so a me hese kwan no da ha na mata me bo afem sabe me do abo ba 15-20 minutes e de wakodu ba bia da ko nti wo ha stop sign or ha be jina stop sign no me bo modin a hese bibia ba de dem na metimi akobi hese bibia ba de dem na metimi aye akobi nti me do hai aha afaha no muda ho afaha na ka atwam afaha ka atwam yesa meta me bo na menya daade na be kisho se ka bia ma ha no ka bia ma nti yesa metisi mu boko me damu boko eno na me kono me dam Prince William County Prince William County main road na me nam so no ho police enemy aye adwuma pa and you here we do ha traffic light no ha ya emergency sign o so do ha ye
atame bo no slow down atame bo tie sikwan mu ana me nam boko e kon boko mempepre me ho ohwa speed sign no e kwan ni nyina bi adeda form kama o ma hyehyɛ na road no hu se kwan bi adedam emra na yɛde yɛ adwuma sports for friend sports for mama me time kakra Prince William for enemy here you must say me wi a me hwese be dru studio na me dem ato so a enti yes sports for mama me time kakra camera no ye bibi ya pamochawa sanfa camera no bla me producer na yanko because ye ni bre peja camera no mama me peja camera no si ho obi antimi nya be hwe enam kwa no so ye ko back free baby a ye ba ye na ye kodu a yetimi ato adwumadi no so power sports of one so ye krado so mo de sports de bebre ye enti perform cigar no do my ready na mum ye nyu adwumadi a enche de cigar mo so beto so perform enam kwa so perform enu ma pankwa kwa kusket mo se de mamu wa feel road no so ne enam no mamu wa feel ma we send mama wo hwata boko oba subscribe ne follow me me fan ya grokra bomadi ne follow me bomadi bi machi for wani bi machi e wo medwumade bi a meye bia no enti fa won sabo adoma no so pa amadan na me ba mesma to nsa afro se grana be efom akwa papa road lines bibi ayi adwuma bidu hai traffic light ba hai ikoni mfa asasa me time bo na me hwe no bo sika bi ama enti asa me tisim na me ko ye akwan ya ne seso ahemam kwan akwan na fo gana fo mo me ha kwan akwan no hwa akwa papa amwakota sori a enkwasi asem ni jimisam ana amwakota okeka enkwasi asem jimisam Chimia mwakwata na behe kwa papa ya yelo ha bla behe ekwan ye dia hwehwe o amre kwa kwan wo mo dia hwehwe na aye fom wo mo dia hwehwe ene ye dia aye fom amwakwata bla behe kwa papa wo ekwan no he na no me fa ha na ha tutu me be fa ha na no ya sa na ha tutu ana me no wakase me be fa ha bi ekwan ye gusu sepe Yaguso srepe, aswa yosoko, aswa brete sa ngono, aswa brete sa brofre, aya da tise sukotwa, police officer di menu, Sam Smith in the chill. Hey, officer, na me shrap, and na oni me ya adwuma o, papa na me yin say, officer beja. Oh, udi kaja mi, esme de boko, mama beto, perform. Okoni fi, me come be, perform. Tabuna akwan krom akwan we yankofa chana fo na be ye yo amakwata jimifo amakwata kokonte akwan we yankofa chana fo eye America fo na nkasa na ye anu tina na former president Mahama ade bibi ba se vocational school enke betete ye nkwala no na nka ye kwan wo kana so and it's in a former president Mahama. What did be by say? Or the BB by you? Say your vocational school and in Quebec, Ghana. Young Kofa Chinese government in Maria Quine. Young for good dear and Quasson some 1 year good dear Maya Quine. You're gonna give it to your good dear. Near we are a quine. A cast in your packet check. Perform near my papa crew. Perform. That day. Yay, perform. A quine ain't to say how many. A quine ain't to say Swahili. A quapa, Yayan to say Swahili. Send your book and so at the Swahili. You pay with your penny. You pay when your penny. Uba follow me. Subscribe page in mama. Next week you will prison. Ghana prison. It's almost on Tampi or Ghana prison is almost on we. Ghana prison is almost on do. I will Ghana prison. You saw me 419 until next week. Next week, you will prison yard. I found that next week, and the baby no week. The baby may be on the video, I am in the cement. Now, for maybe money, you may acquire a Sabia hospital. Near you Ghana from the from Ghana and Pala with incubators. Near you were ya, near the better home, near Yatra. Canada Japan, so what's here as some catch or kind. Or see what may be a Kedujina Kono. Or maybe a Kednijina Kono. Then so Ghana, Yaya Mobodo. Yaya Mobodo. A Kufa and a Kayu. You drew traffic light. Police in when Kamu. Police in and Kamu and Cop. Or you are light and also pat meow. And also said meow as a semi-china to her. Posting in Wajina Boko and a quiscat within a chi. Within a chi. And now we have my boy Juman Kasankasa. And here is a Ghana year DNT and the Assam break. Ghana year DNT and the ABA money. Ghana year DNT and the church of Muman Batiasi. Transform near my papa and Quadmedia way. We never be a opposite. Sister Quiscat Nene Tom. Many then the question the Abia. Watching out, there will be 4 hour chance, but they watch them here. I think I make us a subscribe page, you know. Subscribe page, you know, no follow me. Subscribe page, you know. The person in Obaha. That can say something in the call. That means me for how. Intimacy may call me way. Walk out, camera not done. At the year who the Abia said, yeah, that's how the Abra. Because you come, and you drew baby near Sana. Sana said, what call the form? The form. Well, her form, the bearded Danapen, the beer Wamashi Shan, your papa pen. Acquire a sure, a new Juma, and the catcher say, why, Maso about the sister Musika, why, Maso about the Riamo, Nina ya tro, what channel me bar, may ye side you see the action swap. Yeah. Quisket and I mean, I'm quite more make it. A quite so dead, a quite so affair. Me more pot was smoker or chrome had that. Me time me that me bear chrome hat. Me do have traffic light na I saw green. I saw Habamuno. I saw Habamuno. I know the Jasuno and my from Namen quite. Habamuno and Nemo. I know the name one make on swap. I have Amuna Sosoko. I don't have any name on her. Many name. The mom never come crowd. I'm never be a who said be a to some now. Nay, a conversa and shota and faso. Nay, a conversa and shota and faso. Shafomo Ghana for more form. America saw him kind of me, you know. America saw him kind and a quakusket. And you name one me flow near my town. Oba follow me. Over subscribe page, you know. Over follow me, oh, man, friend, the agro. Mama didn't for any dimension. Or change you, the bar may call her video, sir. Because you can, yeah. Audio, sir, me call you, or change you, kind of time, non do. The bar may you need the action. One could be a baby. One would you, America posse for the mutual win, America. And then my friend, you may be a quisket, me who be said that. Me who be said that. Hey, Tikani ever care your system, sir. Kufuado, as I see a running it said the air running to bed. Now, as I see a running it said the achibo fruit. A Kufuado. One in the Baumia, as I see a running one to say the achibo fruit. As I see a bro, your former Ugun and Tribune, your former Ugun and Tribune. Aha, where yes, you were said, and she talk with Shem Nefabas. Oh, 1 year, no matter who now crucial. And sure, who could shame what a bass. So, Ghana, Yaya Mobodo, a man, I am Mobodo. Yet is the castle as your comedy. Yet ya trosso, yet ya trop. I told the wind in your tesso, a Kufado. I told the wind in was say, and your tesso. Ghana him for Jimmy for. Ghana him for Ghana Penifobima and Jimmy for. Ghana ministers in a Jimmy Moya. Ghana ministers and your MPO. Ministers are more Ghana, we are Jimmy.
Ube come halfway, Muchimi Yanti, Mokwa Muchi Yabi Mamo. Well, kind of ministers are Kufuor the Moto to Biamuya Jimmy for. Minister Bia Kufuor, Edward Kufuor Nankasuma Jimmy, and they want to know when you mean. So when you mean, ya, Kauba Muya, Kasasa will catch a Kufuor. So when your system, I am Akumaku and Noom. I am Akumaku and Noom. Ubedru baby na kwani babo na abeye ketwa. Ubedru baby babo na abeye kase fuku. Ubedru baby abedru se balu. Aya fine. Se me hwese. Menya kwaya bedi last lay. Meet me carry na mum to makaba. They come another one. Makaba akono because baby amekono. Mema ni wo baby enti asasa me town with me lay. Kana ministers mo ba mu ya na. Ministers Kufuor da patimu ya Jimmy Fododo. Kafam ni mapankwa ministers Kufuor do apante mo dia tini majimisa titina ministers amu Ghana majimi anya MPs no ministers na ye do ato di bia no na wachimi na ba hu ebi na wotimi tu Kufuor de se wanya bi we wo mem no wunyimi wina mo ye proto ministers amu Ghana mo ye proto Kufuor the leaders mo ye proto mo ye Jimmy for in the mboko akwa papa nkwa Machimi Sikadie Proya na modina ho Katasisha Aduku Kufuor na bati se no kumwa Katasisha ne Proya na Kufuor de aye tobe awadi Katasisha Kufuor wakini miti se di wakiwi Katasisha Kufuor de kini miti se wakwi koke na medru ha traffic light aso medru ha traffic aso Kufuor de Katasisha ye ne gela awadi Kufuor de Katasisha what the year Vianney, what the year showcase. Wow, Katasisha, the traffic light and sell from as a real kind of traffic light. A doom, a Kufuor the Nankasani Jubilee House. Traffic light doom, a bad was swimming and sending a tree shop. Yes, and then the worm. Yes, and then the worm. The catch yourself from the officer. Maybe I'll find it, baby, I'll be fine and shot into my bed in one or be the mention of that. Yeah, quite quick, I'm in Krumo, me, ACC so. Yeah, Seattle and Samson or so crowd. It's my shop is Ghana ministers are down for Ghana 4 ministers and Jimmy Foy. Ghana ministers Nankia man. Ghana ministers Moya Nankia because Moba Muwe Mugun and Chubuamu man. Mugun and Chubuamu man. Ghana ministers say Mugun and Chubuamu man. Moba Muwe is one cat. Moba Mugu Muwe. And so Ghana ministers, Muslim Kasa, Mutu Kwaya Muhuwe, and so most system Munyan office and the Mechi. Ah, the person you was a more Homaya, the Wako Baby. One would be Mechino, officer the Machimi, would the Mechio, most in the Mechio, was a more home by Kwaku, the Simengadi, and the Falco Refi Boko, I'm glad. A club and the wood they say, a club and Yamia Shray say, a club and a grande the highest to set your strike memories. Yeah, grande, what do America? A grande can you bet you, the Sicadian Prayan Adoko, ye, can you bet you, a Catassan Adoko, ye, can you bet you, na Prayan ye, Catassan ye, what's you would be Mechiboko, a form to say, a former deck, Pipia Cosso, a Numa Gusso, a Juma, a Pine, and Yama Papa, the Ghana ministers are in here. Ghana ministers are when and Kim mad, woman and Kiomusu because of my Jimmy. Yeah, you are as a leaders, Mutu Kwaba, Brochire, Ebe Papa say, well, I'm more to Soria. What you know what is our poor? I'm more to Soria. What you know to send a Kim mad. Wow, as a sort of any year, the Magana. I'm more quarter. Or sorry, I saw say 50 in touching for fit. Chimie, officer Chimie, the touching Jana. I'm more quarter fish said Chimie, the touching. I'm more quarter fish said Chimie. I'm more quarter fish said, I'll put down the touching and Jana. And now officer Casacasa. Ya 12 Mamma Juma, Mobaya Casacasa, don't try. One Ghana apronatity a pansam. One Ghana asenke. Hey, as I said, we slow down. Most one of the makers of this, some 51.
signal me say kwaku slow down boko ahani ade aka no kuro hwani ma meyi akyerɛw hwani ma meyi akyerɛw wa wie efa na benya bia hwani ma meyi akyerɛw hwani ma mabie mu akyerɛw wɔkyena so antia betie me wɔkyena be ya ho momade ne follow me momade ne wo so adoma na da fansa type so fa wonsa to adoma no so na boss crying adoma no so ne yanka am wɔkyena me ba let me letew wɔkyena me ba posiri na ekɔ no ɔno abepa ma ho hwɛ ɔno ɔkɔ hwɛ posiri no ɔno ɔkɔ so ɔno ɔkɔ hwɛ posiri no ɔno ɔkɔ hwɛ Papa police. Ɔno ɔkɔ hwɛ fam posiri no abepa mo bɔkɔ na mana kwan ɔno ɔkɔ wote Ghana yɛka biribi a mose me yɛnka yɛka biribi a mose system no yɛ yɛka biribi a mose system no flow o system a flow chimie system ekwan papa kurom na me nam so hwɛ fam me nam papa so hwɛ fam wakaso ho se wankaso ho akwa papa subscribe page no watch me ba ma aletew enti me say God bless Americans because onyame ehira wo ma we onyame ayo ma we kese o onyame wayo ma we kese enche kura me dwumadi e beba wie ye enti se say na butie me a follow me am watch me ba but me aka wo de me ye na mom me free dwumadi no so no e pese ekotie na Akufo-Addo ne nsema kese a wakeka ye kakra enwanu mu Akufo-Addo Ghana num na wada Ghana fo no ade na no fefa ye ho na nsema Akufo-Addo kan ye nyina na sande na ya atoro me pese wie me ne obekwa kotie sa anyum no ye ba pe na me de dwumadi no e ba wie ye sambe me nsamre no me pese ye bekwa kotie Akufo-Addo ne nsemu a anyum bi a wono ankasa waka ye a no de ebo ne ho safade me pese me ne ye bekwa ne yakwa kotie na nande na no fefa ye ho ototo ye mrade se ma no tumi a o man ne besesa ya brabo nyina na asinkan Ghana ya ye mobo
Ghana Bedroy 2008 the Kase aka before 2012 the moment in DC le baba srambo o fada mafo mo fama ho de better bet mo kwani na mo piame akwa ko se na kwa yekwe ye boss ye kwa ko maya hoso ye kwa ya ko kansama enfata eje Ghana fo de obeye wo bia jare ese woni bo areti yes akasa no bi na de ko me ko so se me kwa ko bombo ko no me mamba politics no da ba me kasi Ghana fo sika aba be se me ko ko ya no jina me ba me ba se Yubia nyansa ne awoden kakra na kopombo ade e ama me do me ba be bia Ghana tidie no da tidie no so akwa nim ama adwuma ani agoto ani sika abaye ma Ghana ya mobodo ya mobokra do wo Ghana Yetisikaso Swabonde. Yetisikaso Swabonde. Yerabania Baba Sister Saneme, Egina, I'm a Titanso Dynamite. Dubaya, Master Dubai, the Baba Sram, here are Mahama, I was in Ghana, and I'm Mr. Ghana for. Say, what if I'm Monteria Puna Mother? The Mijas and Mrs. Ghana for. The Tiasia. The beginnings of Calabria, they will be there. More than 2 million women, sir. More than 2 million women, sir. As I say, the president of the Mamma, Cabria, the Payas, and the Balancer. And I just said, I'm the Balancer. Bomarente, the giant dancer. That couple at Ghana for, at Ghana for. Nebaya Neba How to my this again to what you now do to myself Sabante coming. Abante. Ila ke Panama. Ono no ba de boamo. We me ba no. Mo boano no mbra. Na se de demo. We no ne di wo buma eyi. We no ne ti di wo buma eyi. Matia, wada di mu do. Ya wo kuma pa. A e ba be ye adwuma papa ama. Mo fa no mbra. Na yesu si nda kwa ne ye adwuma. Ono e na me ni jamu.
Okay, I'm so when your video no atie. Said ya me kan no bia se na obedwen na me a se kwakusket Saturday and Sunday bia no about 12 Ghana time 4 o'clock. Me di dwumadie ebra wo life. Me di dwumadie me de bra wo life e wo ba bia wo bia. And bomade channel so ochina awia me di dwumadie ebesa bra 12 o'clock Ghana time 4 o'clock. And son ochina nwumra e bo Ghana time 10 o'clock on so a and can America time 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock on so a me di nwumra abra we me call Prince William County Police Station and I'm a coffee with the life na me de bro na me adma wachina ye beko edanya yesisi no krum ha said ye maka ka no ye be krum ha ye abetoto dan akase e ye nuadan ye ba ha denti ye timuji ani at maybe south say Ghana wakwan with the blocks and also with the cement in the sidan akwan obi coffee no etesei America ye du nua na sidan no enso ye ba ne ye hwa Ihu se ya kwani na ya na kama enso dan na esiwo bi enua o che no ne be ka ho ase na me adman da se ne me try se me do be ko America prison me do be ko jail and as a prison e dey atoto Ghana prison ho the following week ye be ko America hospital ne ya hwese ne aha yare sabia system no esitie it is the same one be ka me ho a bomoden ne follow me ne di mechi amadan nyina no me ba but me atonsa e dey afro Nyame aduma next week dey konso ye ba multi TV so e wakana de enkan na me ye life obeti ahwe multi TV so life enti bomade na share no so e fa kwanye so mada Prince William County police fo na ase mada Ghana mine na ase onyame onhire obibia within the Kwakusket with the opposite producers management mo amohwe me mo amutie me mo amanya kwampo na sese na motie amantem na akabachi obeti akọ back mo akọ video no na me onhiro bibia me dey the Kwakusket ye be hia ochena na me ya atuma e bodu mienu America Ghana time no 9 makraw